Tired of losing your favorite creators when switching social platforms? Well, Threads just dropped a game changer, a new feature that lets you follow your ex-creators directly on Threads. Stick around to learn how it works, why it's a big deal, and what you need to know to get started. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to GadInsider, where we break down the latest in tech and social media. Today we're diving into Threads' brand new cross-platform following feature that makes waves in the social media world. Let's jump right in. This beta feature was first spotted by security researcher and former Meta employee Jane Mansion Wong. On Wednesday, April 9, 2025, some Threads users opened the app to a pop-up saying, "Find popular creators from X." Cool, right? From there, you can download your X following list and sync it to Threads. It's all about making it easier to stay connected with the people you care about. Imagine this, your favorite meme accounts, influencers, or thought leaders all in one place without the hassle. Now let's talk about why this is such a big deal. In recent years, tons of creators have jumped ship from X to platforms like Threads and Blue Sky. The problem? They often lose their massive followings in the process. For creators, rebuilding an audience is tough. For fans, it's a pain to track everyone down again. This feature aims to fix that. It's like a bridge between platforms, making migration seamless. Whether you're a creator looking to grow on Threads or a user wanting to keep up with your favorites, this could be a game changer. Oh, and get this, Threads now has over 320 million monthly active users, up from 300 million just last month. With numbers like that, it's no wonder Meta's doubling down to make Threads the place to be. But here's the catch, not everyone might make the cut. Meta says it's focused on popular creators for now, so your niche follows might not sync yet. We'll dig into that in a second. So how does it actually work? If you're part of the beta test, you'll see that pop up when you open Threads. It guides you to download your X following, super straightforward. Then, Threads matches those accounts to their profiles on the platform. Now here's where it gets a bit mysterious. Meta hasn't spilled the beans on how they're matching X accounts to Threads profiles. Is it usernames, emails, magic? We don't know yet. But what we do know is this feature is still in beta, so expect some tweaks before it rolls out to everyone. What's next? If this test goes well, we could see Threads become a hub for creators and fans alike, especially as more people ditch X for new platforms. Could this be the start of a social media revolution? Only time will tell. Alright folks, that's everything you need to know about Threads cross-platform following feature for now. It's an exciting step towards making social media more connected and creator-friendly. What do you think? Are you jumping on Threads to try this out or sticking with X for now? Drop your thoughts in the comments.